Hey, it's Cosmos Solutions 8, and I'm so excited to announce that we are hiring yet again. And I thought that I'd put a call out on our YouTube channel because finding talent is hard enough, and I figured y'all are into Google Ads, so maybe we can collaborate, connect, cooperate, all that good stuff. So we're looking for different folks in different roles. We are absolutely exploding as an agency, which is really exciting. A couple of notes. Our entire team works remotely. So you have to be comfortable working in a remote environment. If you're not, this isn't the role for you. We only hire self-starters. I like to call them entrepreneurs. It's like entrepreneurs, but they're working inside of our business. We're looking for Google Ads specialists, so people that know Google Ads really, really, really well. We're looking for Google Ads strategists, so people that know Google Ads even better, but hopefully also understand a certain level of business acumen, so you can kind of combine Google Ads with a client's business goals. And then the most urgent need right now is client managers. Now, we're willing to hire all around the world, but our client management team specifically is entirely in the US and Canada. I am open to folks from other areas and regions, but we'll probably be offering preferential treatment to folks in the US and Canada just so that you can align with the rest of our team. It's easier, in terms of time zone and those types of things. So don't let that discourage you if you're elsewhere. We'll still consider you, but I just wanted to offer you that soft note. If you're interested, click on the link in the description of this video, and I'm going to ask you to jump through some hoops. This isn't an easy job, and it's also, to be honest with you, not going to be easy to get a job. We only hire the best of the best of the best. For our specialist team, it takes 245 applications to catalyze one hire. We hire 0.04% of the available labor pool because we're the best Google Ads agency on the planet, and we want to hire people that want to be the best. Because we are small, there's nowhere to hide. This is one of those places where when you're at work, you're working. Now, I don't want anybody working, like nobody here works 80 hours a week, and we don't do nights and weekends unless there's like an extreme emergency. I love people to have a life. I love people to love their work. Everybody here does, as far as I know, hopefully. So I think this is a job you could really love. This is a place that's really fun to work if you want to be the best. And if you really don't mind diving deep and doing the job. If you're, kind of on the more relaxed end of things, then I don't know that this would be the right company for you, to be frank. I think I'm done trying to sell it. Would love the opportunity to work with some of y'all, truly. And if you don't mind, click on the link, fill out the form. We'll be getting back to you with, where you might fit and how to continue the application process. And that's all I got. For those of you that watch and subscribe, thanks so much. If you know of somebody who might be right for one of these roles, please share this video with them. Again, we're looking for specialists. These are people that actually click the buttons and run the ads. We're looking for strategists. This is like triple PhD, Jedi level, badass Google Ads master, hopefully with some business acumen. And then we're looking for client managers. My most urgent need right now is client managers. These are people that kind of it's a little bit of both, right? It's like, hey, you understand Google Ads. You don't have to run Google Ads from a day-to-day perspective, but you need to know it. And you're good at, managing expectations, dealing with clients, understanding business goals, driving towards those business goals. We treat our clients like they're our family. They're the most important facet of our business. Obviously, that sounds like lip service. We mean it. We mean it. And so when you're a client manager, really internally, I think of you as a client advocate. You're there to advocate on behalf of the client when the client isn't there. It's a hard job. Clients are hard people. There's a lot to do, but it's so rewarding. And especially because, we're closing in on 200 clients now, and almost all of them are small businesses. And that feels really good when you're helping a small business. So would love to work with some of y'all. And I'll see you around. Thanks for watching.